Breaking news. We have the latest and juiciest scandal of the week. Maria Caterina caught cheating with another man whilst on vacation with her husband. Let's take a look at the footage.
Maria Caterina, the most famous Italian model and influencer, has arrived at the beautiful city of Vrsaru in Pineta Hotel with her husband Marco Martino for honeymoon vacation. Maria Caterina has over 50 million followers on Instagram and TikTok, and she is working with most popular brands. Shockingly, she was seen with another mysterious man. Let's take a look at the footage.
Oh, prego. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Pineta restaurant where the cheating affair took place. Following up, we have the interview with the witness of the event, the waiter. Hello there. Tell us, what exactly did you see?
I mean, I just saw them together, but why you people keep bothering me? And I don't know why you keep bothering yourselves. I mean, with some people who claim to be influencers, and all they do is just, I don't know, just make money from some stupid apps.
After the news went viral, the supposedly happy couple was arguing at the hotel, and her fans did not approve this.
Ci siamo visti per questioni di lavoro, cioè ci siamo bevuti un caffè parlando di lavoro, perché Christian ha un'agenzia pubblicitaria che lavora anche all'estero e quindi mi stava dando delle delucidazioni se appunto volevo partecipare a lavorare per lui eccetera. Quindi voglio appunto che tutte queste fake news vengono cacciate, perché non è possibile che non si può bere un caffè parlando di lavoro, perché escono fuori tutti i gossip di questo mondo. Quindi volevo appunto dire solo questo. Grazie e buona serata.